In front of me is Tecno Pova 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. Now tap on App Twin over here and click on the switcher next to one of the available apps that you wish to clone. In my case, WhatsApp. Then wait, and when it's ready, go back. So now when I check my app, I can see that it was... Oh, sometimes you need to go back. And then it will appear. I can see that it was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same settings, so Privacy and then App Twin, and use blue switcher next to your app. Then hit close to confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!